Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Strikingly. First, navigate to the Strikingly website and sign up for a free account. You will then be prompted to select a template that best suits your website's purpose. Don't worry too much about the initial choice. You can always customize it later. This platform is designed for simplicity, making website creation accessible to everyone, even without any prior experience. Once your template is chosen, you can begin customizing. Strikingly's intuitive editor allows you to click and edit any element on your page. You can upload your own images, change text, and rearrange sections with simple drag-and-drop functionality. Experiment with different fonts and color schemes to create a unique look. Remember, consistency in design helps build a strong brand identity for your online presence. Beyond basic customization, Strikingly offers powerful features to enhance your website. You can easily add a simple store to sell products, integrate a blog for content marketing, or include a contact form for customer inquiries. Connecting a custom domain name, like yourbusiness.com, makes your site look more professional. Plus, built-in analytics help you understand your visitors and improve your site over time. After you've perfected your website, publishing it is just one click away. Your site will be live and accessible to the world, optimized for viewing on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Strikingly ensures your content looks great on any screen size. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your digital life. Keep refining your site and engaging with your audience for continued success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.